What's up, guys? Welcome to today's episode. In today's crypto news, we'll see that Bitcoin is facing tough resistance. We'll see an asset manager adding Ethereum trading for institutional clients, and so much more interesting topics. But before we begin, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss any important news that may make you a better trader or investor in the crypto space. So let's begin. Bitcoin faces tough daily resistance as BTC price matches UK pound volatility. Fiat currency moves increasingly give BTC a run for its money as the largest cryptocurrency stays almost motionless. As you can see, if you've been on the charts, the BTC have been moving sideways for the longest time. So Bitcoin showed no signs of a breakout on October 20th as tantalizing sideways action dragged on, and you can see that on this chart indicated here. So chart data circulating on social media at the time of writing showed that GBP and BTC volatility had become practically identical, the latter already in its least volatility period since 2020. And you can see from this Bloomberg chart that BTC have been least volatile during this time. Okay, let's move on. On the next news, we see that $4.5 trillion asset manager Fidelity is to add Ethereum trading for its institutional clients. And in a bid to increase its institutional clients' exposure to crypto, Canadian asset manager Fidelity has decided to enable Ethereum, that is ETH, trading starting October 20th, according to a memo sent out by the company. So the product's launch followed the introduction of a number of crypto-oriented products by the company. And we can see that some 72% of American financial advisors would be more likely to invest their customers' assets in cryptocurrency if a spot crypto ETF was available for purchase in the United States, as shown by an April 2022 survey by the New York-based Nasdaq Stock Exchange. And the April's polls results demonstrated that professionals' rock-solid belief in crypto's potential to generate long-term profits will be good. So I think that would be a good move, and I hope other institutions or funds or fund managers take crypto up as well. In other news, third quarter report shows Tesla is still holding on its Bitcoin, and this is quite interesting because you know Tesla. So the Q3 report from the electric vehicle manufacturer shows that it is not at all done with cryptocurrencies. Its digital assets stash since the sale remains intact, according to the report, as Tesla holds $218 million worth of assets at 9,720 BTC, which is huge. The revenue reports for the quarter also show that the company has no need to keep dumping its Bitcoin since it is doing well financially. So the company purchased its Bitcoin back, or rather BTC back, in 2021 for 1.5 billion, which made it one of the largest holdings by a public company at the time. The company still retains the title even after the sale, as it is the public company with the third largest Bitcoin holdings in the world. Tesla's BTC holdings are currently worth $186 million at today's prices. The next news is somehow interesting because it says remittance payments driving crypto adoption in Latin America. And we love this because we like to see crypto being accepted in many countries all over the world. So the 40% growth in crypto adoption by Latin American countries over the past year was largely driven by remittances. Facing runaway inflation, many also use stablecoins to preserve value as local currency plummeted in value. That's interesting. Remittance payments have been a common feature in Latin American economies for some time. Workers earning higher wages abroad will often send a significant portion home to support their family there. As of June this year, Mexico's largest crypto exchange Bitso facilitated 1 billion in payments from the United States. This represents some 4% of the 51.6 billion remittance market in the country and a 400% increase year on year, which is very, very interesting to see, by the way. Okay, let's continue. Well, this article is quite interesting, to be honest, and it says crypto volatility has disappeared. Does that mean the bottom is in? And I had to include this because a lot of people are asking the same question. So, low trading volumes and macroeconomic uncertainty have quashed volatility in the crypto market, but that might not necessarily be such a bad thing. So, after months of downward volatility, the crypto market appears to be stagnating. And according to the Crypto Volatility Index, that is CVI, price movements are their most subdued since May 7th, shortly before the Terra blockchain's UST stablecoin lost its dollar peg, sending shockwaves across the entire market. I don't know if you guys remember that, but that was a very interesting moment, seeing Terra and UST going below zero. It was very interesting to see. So the effect is so pronounced that Bitcoin has become less volatile than some traditional equities indices. There are several reasons why crypto volatility has plummeted. The most prominent contributing factor is the crypto market's lack of trading volume. As you can see, we are seeing crypto stagnating a lot nowadays. However, broader macroeconomic factors are likely also playing a part in Bitcoin's relative price stability. The Federal Reserve's monetary tightening regime, aimed at reducing inflation, has many market participants worried about the long-term damage such actions could have on the financial system. Since Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are not directly connected to the traditional financial system, they may have escaped some problems plaguing other financialized assets such as stocks and bonds. Additionally, since the June crypto crash forced many large holders to exit the market, those still holding crypto likely have no inclination to sell anytime soon. Yeah, that's interesting to see. Okay, on the last news, which is NFTs. Okay, Rarible NFT marketplace adds Web3 aggregation with new version. The new aggregation feature provides listings and prices of Ethereum-based NFTs listed on major NFT marketplaces across Web3. Rarible, the Ethereum-based non-fungible token NFT marketplace, announced its platform upgraded to Rarible 2 on October 20th. The NFT marketplace says it is introducing new aggregation tools to showcase NFTs from across the Web3 space. It creates an open environment where users can access the best prices for NFTs all through one interface. Okay, I've thought to add one more important segment. It's just something that I think may be interesting to you, whereby we see Bitcoin bottoms, the psychology of bear markets. As you know, psychology is a very important part when it comes to trading generally, especially crypto trading and forex trading and stock trading. So I think I should be adding psychology bits in this news videos. Okay, Bitcoin bottoms, the psychology of bear markets. The chase of the Bitcoin bottom is still on since the digital asset fell below its 20K price level. The most recent Bitcoin bear market points towards some important trends that may occur before a Bitcoin bottom is established. One of the very first things to look at is how long the previous bear market had actually lasted. And 2014 saw a total of 407 days before Bitcoin bottom was established, while it was only 364 days in the 2018 bear market. So it may be shorter this time round, but let's see. Given this, it is possible to expect that the duration before the market bottom might be lower this time round, but it also shows that the market is likely not there yet. So guys, maybe you are not there yet, so let's keep waiting. Let's keep going with the trend, and the trend right now is bearish. So low volatility in Bitcoin also points towards this. For example, back in 2014, the low volatility range lasted for 280 days, while 2018's lasted for 130 days. It also follows the trend of a decline in the number of days required to reach a bottom. The current BTC low volatility has now lasted for over 121 days. So before Christmas, we should be knowing, we should be seeing some changes, but in the meantime, let's keep waiting. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. I don't know if any of those news items has been helpful to you, but just in case, leave a like. Remember to hit the subscribe button